Hi, good day. This is Sheena, and I'll be showing you how to find items from third-party suppliers and list it in the Amazon marketplace. So we will be selling in Amazon US. So first, I'll be discussing you some of the guidelines that you need and you must follow. Okay, so our price for the pricing criteria, for the profit criteria rather. So if the source price of the item is up to $69, our profit must be $3. From 70 to 99, it's $5 profit. So 100 to 150 and up, it has to be 10% margin or above that. Okay, so we also have restricted brands. This is very important for you guys to check this out because if you list these brands, we might get trademark or copyright violation from the owners of the item, which they do not allow to list their items. Okay, so we also have an exclusive listings. It's just the same with the restricted brands. So you can see it directly. Like this listing here, this Cards Against Humanity. If you go to the main page, let's see. Okay, this is sold by Cards Against Humanity itself. And if you go to the number of sellers, you check the sellers here. Okay, so they are the only ones who sell the item here. So Cards Against Humanity, it is sold by Cards Against Humanity. So we can therefore conclude that they do not allow other sellers to sell the item in Amazon. So if we list this item, we might get a violation. Okay, so we want to avoid that, and we don't want to get a violation because it can lead to the suspension of our selling account. Okay, so we also need to check, you also need to make sure that the reviews in the items page is from 3 to 5. Okay, so we should list items that has good reviews. Okay, so let's move on to our sales rank chart. Okay, so we only list items that are in the top 1 and top 3% sales rank. Okay, in Amazon. Okay, so below that, we won't list that item. So let's say we will be listing this item. So if you scroll down, you can see the items sales rank in Amazon. Sales rank, category rank, yeah, rather in Amazon. So you can see that it's under 258,555. It ranked 258,555 in home and kitchen category. So if you check it here in home and kitchen, if you go to our FBA chart, home and kitchen, so it's under this top 1 rank. So 258,000. So we can list this item. Okay, this is eligible to be listed once it meets all the criteria we want. Okay, so now we will be using Home Depot as our supplier, and let's see if we can compete. So for the price competition, guys, we want actually to get the top spot or the lowest price or the buybacks in Amazon, because 90% of the sales comes from getting the buybacks. Okay, so if the buybacks is suppressed or there's no buybacks available, those offering the lowest price get the sales. Okay, so I hope you get that. Okay, so So let's try to look for an item in Home Depot, okay, and see if we can yeah, and hopefully we can find items very fast. Okay, okay, so we are now in our supplier site. Okay, so homedepot.com. So you can list any items here as long as but I'd recommend listing items from $50 and above, and you must list only those items offering free shipment. Okay, so here, so I'll show you guys. So there's a lot of items in Home Depot, mostly in home category. So um I'm looking for this item here. Okay, so this item's price is $59.95. Okay, and you need to scroll down to check if it's free delivery. So it's free delivery, so you can check the competition in Amazon for this item. And you also need so again, we list items from $50 and above, okay, for Home Depot. Okay, so here in Amazon, we need to look and check the items competition. But guys, I just want to show you the difference by the way of having a buy box and a suppressed buy box. So when you check for an item, let's say this one, okay. Okay, if you check for this item, this is what you call the buy box. Okay, so if a customer, if a buyer is looking for the item to buy, wants to buy this item, they can immediately add this item to the cart and check out. Okay, so that's the advantage of getting the buy box. So the buyers most of the buyers won't go and check other sellers. Okay, so this item that we will be checking in Amazon, let's see if it has a buy box. Okay, there. So I guess it's the same item. Okay, so here you can see that there is no buy box. Okay, so this is what you call a suppressed buy box. So if the buyers will look for wants to buy the item, they'll go to they'll check all the sellers of the item by checking this, by clicking this available from the sellers. Okay, so we need to compete with the lowest price to be able to sell the item. Okay, but let's take first the reviews of this item. So you can see that it has 4.6 out of 5 stars, so it's good to go. And let's check the sales rank for these items. For this item, okay. So it's under it's 21,461 in tools and home improvement. Okay, guys. So here in our FBA chart, so let's go to tools and home improvement. Okay, so it's 21,460. So it's under the top 1% for tools and home improvement. So it's okay. It met our criteria for the seller's rank. And now, what we need to do is check the price competition. Okay, so we aim to get the top 1 or the top 2. Okay, for the price competition. So the lowest price here offers the item for $69.33. So a few cents away from, few cents difference from the top top 2 competitor. So we need to check if we can compete with the seller, with the top 1 seller. So let's get our source price, $59.95. Let's go to our listing sheet. Okay, so here. So let's put let's use this $59.95. Okay, so that's make sure it's $59.95. And since we have a 10% discount, okay, for a gift card discount, so it becomes it will become 53.96 because of the 10% discount. We have gift card discount. Okay, so let us beat the lowest price in Amazon. So they offer it for $69.33. Let's offer it for $68.99. $68.99 sale price. To beat. Okay, so if we offer the item for $68.99, we have a net profit of $4.69. Okay, so and we need also to set a minimum price for this item. Okay, so the purpose of the minimum price is that so we offer this item for $68.99. So if the seller or another competitor beats our price, $68.99, our repricing tool can still adjust our price to the lowest price we set for this item. Okay, so for our profit criteria for items from $59 to $59 to here, from up to $69 is $3 profit. Okay, so let's go here. So this is already our I'll put this here so I won't forget. Okay, so let's compute for our minimum price. So 67, let's say $3 profit. Okay, there you go. So we can for a $3 profit, we can still go down up to $67 for $67. This will be our minimum profit. Okay, so let's put here, go to our minimum listing price. Sorry. Please don't mind this details here below. So let's put here 67. Okay, so this will be our minimum listing price, and automatically it will compute for our maximum listing price. Okay, so our 67 is our minimum listing price, and our maximum listing price is $100.50. So our sale price now, depending on the current competition in Amazon, is $68.99. There you go. So our profit now, when we list this item, is $68.99. I'm so sorry. So our price is $68.99 and our profit is $4.69. So if ever a competitor will go down, will compete our price and lower their price. So if they offer it for $68.50, our repricing tool can still go down to 67. So we still offer, so it will beat the lowest price in the competition. Okay, until 67, which is our minimum listing price. So that's it. That's how we look for an item and how to price it. And